Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial I want to use a very simple technique. If you've checked my tutorials, my beginner tutorial series, I taught you how to play the major chords. Major key, the major scale. So I'm going to use C. I don't know which key I use. I'm sure I use C, but it should work in any other key. So first of all, know the major and the minor scale that complements that key. So the major scale that complements this C key, I want to use this. So first of all, know your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So C, is on the third string on the fifth fret. Fifth fret, the frets. So and when you go up, you can try and play the major scale upwards as well. But I was talking about trying to know the major scale, the minor scale that goes with this key. So first of all, the minor scale that always goes with a particular major scale is coming from the sixth note in the major scale. So what's the sixth note in the C? So do, ti, la. What is the la? Is the A. So let's say I'm playing G. The 6 is the E minor. If I'm playing C, the 6 is the A minor. The G, the 6 is the E minor. C, the 6 is the A minor. So first of all, look for that note. But if you know the formula from your fretboard, it is easy to get your major scale, the minor scale for that. The minor scale of A minor scale has the same notes as in the C major scale. That's the basic general fact. So first of all, know your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. If I slide here, I've entered into the regime for the A minor. So this is the A minor. The A minor is here. So if you were able to get these notes, you will be able to play, let's say, you'll be able to play the notes without having to stay in the 4. So if you took note of how I was teaching the major scale, that is for beginners. What about, you see, when you watch videos, I'm still trying to learn that one. People, the professional guitarists will always slide and they are always all over the frets. It is beautiful to watch and you will love. I'm sure you are eager and you are willing to learn that one. That is beautiful. So that is basically it. You need to know the notes, the connecting notes that are around it. Don't restrict yourself to the 4 frets. So worthy is your why worthy is your, it's the 6, but you can slide, then you can exercise yourself here. I have the same note. And if you if you've studied my beginner tutorials, you realize that I was teaching different variations of the chord progressions, the chords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I didn't add a 7, but yeah. So you realize that the 6th year, when I slided from the 5 to the 6th year, it's ending is my pinky, right? And it's on the 2nd string, and it reminds me of a particular chord, a minor chord, like the D minor shape. So it means like I have my 6th chord, I can connect it to get my 6th chord. Then so that's my C, right? I'll be able to play C here. So I can be playing Worthy is your name. So yeah, so this tutorial is just to give you an overview. It's not really a play along tutorial, but I'm intrigued that you try to exercise it. I'm still trying to master this because I've been familiar with this style, and mostly I'll go back to the C shape. But yeah, it's nice to be able to do this so that it makes your soloing nicer. It sounds nicer because it doesn't sound too raw all the time. When I have to move from 5 to 6, I can slide and make it sound nice. Yeah, thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to give like and subscribe and share. Comment if there's something that you want me to clarify in this video. Kindly leave a comment section. Let me know where you're watching from, and thank you. See you next time.